Hey guys, it's Sharmise Idris here, and today I will show you how I package my soaps and also how I transform these dusty looking soaps into something beautiful. Stay tuned. So first things first, I will use this vegetable peeler that I got from Dollar Tree to get rid of my harsh edges on the soap. So I will just gently glide the vegetable peeler along the edges of the soap. Of course, this step is not necessary for all soaps, but it does make it look just a little bit better for my soap, and I only do it on the side. Some of the soaps have a little bit of a rough side on them just because of how they come out of the mold. You can use a beveler or planer to smooth that side, but I just keep it on there because I don't mind it. Next, I'll show you how I get rid of the soda ash on top with a handheld steamer. Now, some of these soaps have much worse soda ash than others. Typically, my grapefruit soap looks much ashier than my turmeric soap. Of course, there are other ways to get rid of soda ash, but this is what I found to be the easiest for me, and it gives my soaps a nice shiny look. Over the last 2 years, I've used so many types of packaging, boxes, shrink wrap, which I still use for my reach batch, and now I use these little cotton pouches. And the first thing I'll do is cut out all the labels I'll need for the amount of soap I have. Now, easy enough, I'll just put the soap in the pouch and put the label over the pouch and the string laying down, and then just cut the excess string off. I will link everything I use in the description below. And here's the final product.